Okay, this is the bass part for Someone Else's Cat. We have two different parts, really. There's the intro chords in section 1, but section 2 is the exact same thing as section 1, so easy part to learn. It's got some parts that are a little tricky because of the rhythm, but the intro chords, it's all single notes, and we are starting on the C, and so you're going to start on this C right here, and then you move to the F, and then you come back to the C, and then you go to this G. I'll help you count the rests out, and then we'll take it from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest, 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 rest. So here, I'm going to do it one more time. It goes rest, 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 rest. See, there it is. That is your part there. Now on parts section 1 and section 2, I do have some words that we used for this, and the first 3 measures are the same. What we did, what I thought was funny, and since we're talking about cats on this one, every little part that I want to use has something with cats, and we were talking about how cats act and everything, but I think super bouncing cats is a funny thing to say. So everyone say super bouncing cats, and then you have 2 rest, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, and then you have some notes at the very end. And what happens when cats start bouncing and jumping around? They land on all 4s. So your last 4 notes are the rhythm land on all 4s. So rhythm, you can say super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats land on all 4s. That's what it sounds like. So really, notes, I'll go over the notes with you real quick. There you go. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Then you get to the 3rd measure, and then you start on a D and a G. Instead of starting over here, because we run out of notes, because we need some higher notes at the very end, you have to bring it all the way down here. So you have a D and a G, super bouncing cats. So you have this D, D, G, G, D, right? Super bouncing cats. And then you move over to the B, and you play B, A, G, F, just like that. Super bouncing cats land on all 4s. So here's your whole part. Hopefully we'll get it done the right way. I won't have to start a bunch of times, but sometimes it happens. I mean, I make mistakes too, so, keep an eyeball out and see if I'm doing it the right way. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats land on all 4s. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats, rest, rest. Super bouncing cats land on all 4s. That is your whole part. So that's, I think, the trickiest part. The last one, super bouncing cats land on all 4s, because you have a double D here. D, D, G, G, D. That's the part I messed up the most. So when you're doing the other ones, you don't have that doubled first note. Rest, 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 2, 3, 4, and rest, 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 rest. And there's your whole part. So that is the bass parts for someone else's cat. That's it.